Got myself a little project. It's a Lamborghini Gallardo Spider, and we're doing some customization to it. If you guys remember our old Gallardo Super Trofeo, the one that I cut up, so we got a bunch of goodies left from the car. Still got the side skirts, the wings, so we're gonna install all the goodies on this car. So this is gonna be the first Spider with Super Trofeo wing. So man, it's gonna be awesome build. And this is another fellow YouTuber, Chris from Supercar Garage. I'll put a link in my description so you guys can check it out, what's going on with the car after it leaves the shop. He's more of a car scene. He hits cars and coffee, all kinds of rallies. So if you guys want to follow this build, and he's gonna do more stuff, wheels, lower the car, so all kinds of goodies coming, so you guys could check it out on his channel. So make sure to go follow him, subscribe, and also don't forget to like this video. Enough of this talk, and let's pull the car inside, start working on this beauty. What do you guys say? Let's do it. So I got the Lamborghini in the shop, and we're gonna start installing the goodies. And let me show you guys the goodies. Carbon fiber side skirts. We also got a Super Trofeo wing. So man, this thing's gonna look super aggressive. And also I wanna introduce you guys the owner of this Lamborghini. His name is Chris, Supercar Garage. So yeah, go follow him, give him some love from LNC fam, and let's start installing the goodies. We just removed the engine cover, so now we're gonna test fit the wing. So we gotta figure it out how to mount the wing on this engine cover. So it's gonna go right here below the original wing, and we're still gonna put the original wing, so cover pretty much everything. But it's gonna look like something like this, and the wing's gonna go up. So slowly getting somewhere. So we gotta do a little modification on the wing, and we'll start test fitting and securing it. Something like this. Let the fun begin. now I'm gonna jump on the side skirts. Gonna remove the side skirts and I'm gonna install the carbon fiber side skirt. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. See how those are just, they're okay, you know, but it's just missing that nice aggressive carbon fiber splitter. And let's go, I'll show you guys what the Super Trofeo splitters look like. Rockers, they're the same, but the difference is, look at this carbon fiber piece. And it's gonna make the car wider by almost an inch on each side, so it's gonna look really nice. Officially done with this side, and boy oh boy, it looks amazing. So much better. Let's check it out. Check out this side. Look how it just goes with the body like it's supposed to be there. And let's go check on the other side. And then this side, just like it's missing something. Yep. Yep. We're gonna change that real quick right now. That is it, my friends. We're officially finished with this beauty. One of a kind, like I said. Another happy customer? Look at that smile. Look at that. Me, look at you. Yep, that's how we like it. But the back end, super aggressive. Look at this. Wow! Right now, but... Yo, comment below, what do you guys think of this? You guys love it or you hate it? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Would love to hear your feedback. Thank you guys once again for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!